Hi, this is Richard from Sleep Haven. We're just doing some rug cleaning at the moment, and you can see Dan, he's cleaning this lovely rug that we're doing for a customer. What we do with our rugs, we sort of tend to collect them and bring them to a work area where we can do them outside, where we've got plenty of space to clean your rugs. How we clean your rugs, they're all sort of beaten first of all to get rid of some of the loose soil, and then what we'll do, we'll deep vac them several times to the front and to the back to get rid of the loose soil. Then the rugs are treated with a rug cleaner, specialist rug cleaner, because of the multi colours that you'll quite often find in rugs, especially with a nice one like this. Obviously you have to be careful of dye or bleeding into one another with the colours, so we use special solutions when we're cleaning rugs. It's slightly different to carpet cleaning due to the different types of fibre that we're dealing with and the colours. So Dan has, as I say, we've deep vac this, and now we've used the hot water extraction system to deep clean it, and Dan is just now sort of removing a stain on the edge of the carpet there. So he's just treating a slight section with the hand tool just to get a deep penetration and to remove the stain. So this is how we clean your rugs. This is just a sample of it. So if you're interested in rug cleaning or need any information, just give us a call on 01327 342 594. We're here to help. Many thanks.